Welcome back, everyone. Time to go ahead and do a little bit of a tutorial again on how to change your Instagram username in 2021. Now, the process is very easy and it's pretty much like just like every other year. So, what you want to do and start off by doing is go ahead and go into your Instagram app, whether on Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. And you want to log into the same exact account that you want to go ahead and change the username to. Now, if you just bought a username, this is not that specific tutorial. I think you have to contact Instagram and have basically them transfer over that URL or that username over to yours. But this is basically if you want to change your username to somebody else or something else or whatever the case is. So once you're on your profile page, so click here and then go into your profile page. You want to go ahead and click that edit profile button that is right there. So it's right under your followers and everything. You want to go ahead and click edit profile. And once you're here, you'll basically see several different options. But that second option where it says username, that's basically where you can go ahead and input a new username if you want to. So let's go ahead and start off by clicking right there. And you'll see that it'll take you into this page and it'll basically tell you in most cases, you'll be able to change your username back to whatever it is for another 14 days. So let's say you want to temporarily change your username to something else. Well, you have the option of actually doing so. But also within 2 weeks from now, let's say 13 days, I don't want to do it anymore. Well, I can go ahead and convert it back to that original username, which is really awesome. So let's say we wanted to change our username to this. Well, what you would do is you would go ahead and change your username to whatever you want it to be, just like this. And then what you'd want to do is go ahead and click done, and it'll go ahead and change your username that you're on now to that specific username. It'll maintain and keep all that data, all those photos and videos, everything you've posted straight onto your own profile, but it'll go ahead and just change it to this specific username. So that's pretty much how to do it. In this case, I don't want to change this username, so I'm going to keep it as it is. But that's really pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.